Hi everybody. Do you like Anthurium? Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Today I will guide everyone to take care of Anthurium plants from damaged plants back to normal. Anthurium has many uses such as purifying the air, decorating the house, and having feng shui meaning in love. This Anthurium plant is in the process of being damaged and is about to be seriously damaged. Today I will guide you to take care of Anthurium plants to make them healthy and lush again. First, I will cut off all the old roots of the tree to regenerate the tree to grow new roots. Aloe Vera helps plant growth, boosts the immune system, and reduces stress on plants. I took aloe vera and rubbed it around the leaves and aloe vera plant. I mix dry tea with rice husks to grow plants. Dry tea provides nutrients, improves soil structure, regulates pH, prevents pests, and repels insects. I have finished planting, and now I will water the plants to keep them moist. At this stage, the tree is gradually recovering. I continue to take care of it by mixing dry tea with shallots and adding boiling water until the tea and shallots are cooked. When the water cools, I will take it away to take care of the tree. I will wipe all the leaves with tea and onion water and then water the plant directly. In addition to the method of restoring Anthurium, I can also use aloe vera with guava leaves, grind them to get the juice to help the plant become healthy and grow better. Aloe vera helps the plant recover very effectively. took the blended water and wiped around the leaves. After a few days, my tree recovered and was flourishing again. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.